Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to introduce you to the newest version of our top seller, the Škoda Octavia. As you can see, the car looks dynamic and is full of energy. I mean, just look at these new headlights.
Their spike-shaped design brings a sense of fight to the entire front mask. The rear bumper is also completely new, as well as the design of the rear lights.
And no surprise, there is a lot of space in here.
The Octavia is evolving to use more sustainable materials.
The new design of the infotainment and its 13-inch display gives you a lot more control of your car.
The Octavia is safer than ever thanks to new safety and assistance features, and these are just some of the many reasons that it's achieved the maximum 5 stars in the Euro NCAP rating. Once again, we encounter this legendary versatility of the Octavia. We have both diesel and petrol engines available, even with mild hybrid technology. There are a variety of colors and versions. Of course, you can also choose the hatchback instead of the Combi. Both of these come in a sporty RS version.
As you can see, Škoda is always up in their game.
The all-new Octavia, a companion for every day.
Škoda.